Hello students, today we are going to solve this problem. We need to find the number of roots of the equation 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power x minus 1 plus 7 to the power x minus 2. So we'll write the equation at first. 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power x minus 1 plus 7 to the power x minus 2. So we can write the equation in this way also. To the power x by 2 square equals to 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power x by 7 plus 7 to the power x by 7 square. So now taking common 2 to the power x from the left side, it will become 1, it will give 1 by 2 plus it will give 1 by 4, and from the right taking 7 to the power x common. Now we'll get 2 to the power x into 7 by 4 equals to 7 to the power x into 57 divided by 49. So we know x equals to 2 square, so that means it can be written as 2 to the power x to the power 2 x minus 2 into 7 equals to 49 could be written as 7 square. So this could be written as 7 to the power x minus 2 into 57. So now we'll take 7 to the power x minus 2 divided by 2 to the power x minus 2. So it will become 7 by 57. So this could be written as 7 by 2 whole to the power x minus 2 equals to 7 by 57. So now we are taking the log function. So we'll get x minus 2 equals to log of 7 by 57 base 7 by 2. So now we can write x equals to minus 2 taking to the right side. So we'll write this as log of 7 by 2, 7 by 57. So this would be the value of x. So here we can see the number of roots would be 1. So C is the answer.